What's up, traders? Welcome to another live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. I know that you already smashed the like button. There will be weekend. Market is volatile. Gold is volatile. We are trading a lot of instruments. Smash the like button in this live trading session. Every weekend we find some good trading opportunity, because weekend, when most traders close their trade, there is a lot of flow in the market and we can make some quick dollar in this market. We could make some money online from trading. So if you are with me, wanna make money, smash the like button first. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Press that bell notification so that you don't miss out this kind of live stream where you can find your favorite pairs will be analyzed. Your favorite pair will be traded with you. You will be given trade signal. If you find anything here, we'll share all together. It's a great team. Make sure you stick till the end to see what's happening in the market, how we trade. This is Forex Wizard. So let's begin today's session. Whatever question you have, anything you want to ask, write in the chat section. I will try to answer as quickly as I can. I saw that many of my students already here. So Chadrick, good day sir, South Africa. Thank you Chadrick. I have already smashed the like button. Thank you Chadrick for smashing the like button. Pawin says good day sir. Thank you Pawin. Jonathan, good afternoon sir. Yes, Jonathan. Pound says smash the like button. Yes Pound, thank you for smashing the like button. Amanul Karim, good noon sir. Yes Amanul, thank you. Mila says good morning Nizam. Thank you Mila. Miraz already smashed the like button. Boss and teacher, thank you Miraz. Mary, another night full of learning. Thank you Mary. This is my passion. This is my goal, is to help everyone like you. You are great people and I feel great by helping you. So Chadrick, let's start with Euro USD. Let's start. Siba, good day sir. Duke, hi Wizard. Kui, hello everyone. USD Cat, yes, we'll do all of them. Lizard King, great trading day has arrived. Yes, Lizard King. Asok Suman, hi coach. Hottest pair Gbpusd. Yep, market is dropping. Mila says, Nizam, can we check CAD CHF for short opportunity? I saw some CAD is getting weaker. Let's see. And Alexandra, hello. Asok Suman, please. Kevin, USD CHF. So we have quite a few requests. Let's begin one by one. Let's see first of all hottest pair and all as AUD USD. Siba says Miraz, great wizard, great mentor. Thank you Miraz. So let's begin with let's see what we have and we'll get back to you again. So let's begin with euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar looks like giving us a trading opportunity after this strong bearish engulfer. Euro dollar, as expected, trying to test this previous support as resistance. It's a good place for selling this euro dollar. Okay, so this is euro dollar. Currently it is testing this. There is a head and shoulder, but this head and shoulder is a very strong head and shoulder. Now after this head and shoulder, as usual, the price now testing this previous support as resistance, and I strongly believe that euro dollar will have another impulse to the downside. Maybe not much, but could be along this line. Can give us a good trading opportunity, isn't it? Smash the like button now. So euro dollar currently testing this head and shoulder previous support as a resistance. What do I mean by this? This is the great thing you need to learn now. So when you see a head and shoulder, first of all, let me teach you from the first, okay? Because either you are a beginner or advanced trader, very few people know this secret. First of all, why do a head and shoulder is created? Start from the basic. As a beginner, pay attention. I'll teach you everything today. So when you see a market is trending, so how do you know? Not from any indicator, from the market structure. Keep in mind the way you can measure a market is trending or not trending from the market structure. So what is an let's say an uptrending market structure? How do you know? When the price creates series of higher low and higher high, it's called an uptrending market structure. Keep in mind. The second thing is that when you see that in this uptrending market structure, previous resistance testing as a support, it's a valid uptrending market structure, okay, or downtrending if it's a trending market structure. But at some point, the trend will never continue forever. At some point, what you see that the price suddenly broke at some point and then came back down like that. Okay, that is where the market structure broken. That is where you will stop buying when you saw the market structure is broken. And then we'll try to create a new higher high, but fail to do so. We'll start to create lower low. See, this is how head and shoulder created. See, up to here, the price was creating a series of higher high, okay, higher high, higher low. This is the market structure trending. Now what happened at some point, the price reversed to broke to the upside and then immediately came back down, broke this trend line. So there was a trend line here, right? So this trend line is broken. Now when this trend line is broken, that means the market structure is broken. A building structure broken, building will collapse. Similarly, when this market structure broken, that means it might fail to create new higher high. Instead, it has created a lower high and then broke down. So head and shoulder is created. That means that there is a head here, left shoulder, right shoulder. Now, will you trade now? No. When will you trade a head and shoulder? After the breakdown, it will go up again to test this previous support as a resistance. This is the support here, resistance here, and then when you will be trading, when you see a rejection from here, that is where the great trades come. Now let me show you examples. Okay, there is a lots of examples, millions of. Let's say this one here, okay, USD CNH. See, it could be a head and shoulder, it could be a double top, same thing. See, the price, you know, created an uptrend, broke above, created this whatever you want to say, head and shoulder or double top. The price broke down, okay, went above, tested this previous support as a resistance, and then created this bearish candle. This is the trading candle. You see, this is the trading candle. That one you will be trading. Now let's go back to euro dollar again. Okay, so euro dollar currently testing this head and shoulder. Okay, head and shoulder, previous support as resistance. Now impatient trader may start to trade from here. It's okay. Some trader, I also, when I am very confident, I trade from here as well. Okay, that's fine to trade, but you need to have a high risk to reward ratio. But the more conservative approach is to wait for a rejection from here. Let's say one close here, another one creating a pin bar like that. That is a more conservative and proper way to trade. But everyone has a different strategy. All strategy works as long as you maintain a high risk to reward ratio. Smash the like button. Now, what is happening with euro dollar? You see, euro dollar has created a false breakout of all of this level here and then broke down. Now, as you know that euro dollar currently testing in a very low level. If you go to the monthly, what you saw that euro dollar bounced from this monthly level of support, you see. So we may not expect to always come down. There will be some always back and forth, because if you see in the past, there is a lot of candle here, okay, weak here. So that means that there has been a lot of buyers in this zone. So we might see the same here as well. Okay, we might see a jump and then coming down and jump like that. Euro dollar may do something like that. But for now, I would like to see that euro dollar is having a clear rejection from this previous support as resistance, and I think there will have something. Even if someone is scalping from here, can make some money from this 20 period moving average. Euro dollar will have a bounce. So if you're anyone scalping, I would say that good sell will be at 1.0830 to 1.08, let's say 20. Okay, 10 pp. Smash the like button. But keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for educational purpose. Do your own research, make your own trading decision by your own analysis. Smash the like button. Now let's begin with what's happening with other pairs. So this is situation with the euro dollar. If I see any day trading or swing trading opportunity, we'll go back to this pair back and forth over and over again to see what kind of trading opportunity we have. Now let's see quickly CAD CHF, that let's see what happened with the CAD CHF. Okay, CAD CHF, it's a very strongly bullish market. We might see some bearish setup, but the only thing, Mila, is that the only thing, let me see the monthly. Okay, so this is a very strongly bullish market. Okay, but one thing could happen, that this is the monthly candle. You see the CAD was respecting this trend line from since 2017. You saw there has been quite a few false breakout. Again the price came back to the range. Okay, now what we see this month, the price did the same. The price broke this level of resistance, and I think that CAD might do the same. You know, CAD might come back again as a false breakout. With that being said, let's see on the weekly what's happening. Now one thing we need to keep in mind, that CAD opened with a gap on the weekly. So what it might do, that CAD might come down here, close somewhere here. Pardon me. So let's see on the daily time frame. Okay, daily, the previous day CAD has created a pin bar. Today the price is trying to break down. So we might see some bearish move on CAD. Looks like CAD will create a bearish move. May not be like this, but let's see on the 4-hour time frame what might happen. So CAD, the previous 4-hour, CAD has created a very strong bearish candle. You see there is a long bearish candle. You see, this is what I talk about, the reversal pattern. When you guys want to sell, okay, in a long-term market, what did I say? When you see this kind of rejection, you see strong rejection followed by a slow retracement, smash the like button, now sell here. Okay, now what might happen CAD do? Okay, what situation I will be consider selling CAD CHF? Let me tell you. You see, if I draw a trend line here, and you see there is a 20 period moving average. Let me draw a level here. So this could be the situation with the CAD. So what CAD might do, let me tell you. You see, CAD already has created a head and shoulder, head, left shoulder and right shoulder. It's a nice head and shoulder. Okay, now when you see, so far what did I say in euro dollar? When you see a head and shoulder, okay, what you can expect? The price come down. Let's draw this head and shoulder. This is the real education. No one ever in this platform can teach you like that. I can guarantee you. Smash the like button, stay tuned with the channel, and also don't forget to subscribe. My goal is to turn you into a trader. Only you need to manage your risk, stay disciplined. If you do like that, you see there is a head and shoulder. Again I'm showing you. Okay, breakdown, what you can expect, the previous support test as a resistance. As you can see, always you will not find a head and shoulder like this. Okay, you might find a head and shoulder something like that. Let's say like this. You see, I have a video also completely separate on head and shoulder. You can watch that from my channel. You might see a head and shoulder like this. You see, this is the one, that head and shoulder that I'm talking about. So in that case, you might see the price is coming here to test. You see, like that, and the price may come here to test and then drop. Okay, so with that being said, let's see what kind of head and shoulder it has created now. This kind of head and shoulder. So where is the place that we can consider for selling CAD CHF? So what I think, that CAD will come up here, okay, today or next week early, and then from here will drop again. Okay, because there is a one strong bullish candle here. Okay, and even it could possible that it will create another impulse to the upside. Everything is possible in trading, but high probability to me is that CAD will come up to this level. You see there is a 20 period moving average, and this zone maybe will create a long candle, or maybe this candle will come test and will come down and then will drop. So this is where I will be considering. If I'm not in any other CAD trade or any other trade, then I will be considering selling CAD from here. Smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Let's see what's on the chat area, what everyone is thinking. So Checkmate says, good day sir, thank you for opportunity to learn. Yes, Checkmate, thank you for your time. Also Jabir, Hi, how are you? Yep, I'm good. US 30, please. Of course, we'll do US 30. JPYPR, sir, thank you. Yeah, Mari, we'll do JPYPR. Bipan, super good evening, sir. Yes. Bhuma, hi, sir. Yes. Bhuma, USD CAD. Yep, we'll do it. Checkmate, smash the like button. Yes, smash the like button. Checkmate, very good. Rabi says, hi. Yes, Rabi, thank you for your greetings. So let's find out gold. What's happening with the gold now? We are on a trade on gold. Okay, we entered 2 trades on gold. Yesterday one, today one. Okay, we entered a trade on gold around this zone and our stop loss here. 2 trade we have entered. We are currently in profit around more than 1 to 1, around 1 to 1. Okay, and we will be targeting up to here. Okay, so more around 2 to 2. Okay, so gold, let's see gold, what's happening. Why did I send this trade signal to my VIP members? This is the real thing. Okay, if you want to join our team, this VIP team, to win like trade like gold, there is a discount going on, link in the description, you can check it out. So let me explain why I entered this gold trade, and then we'll go to the other pairs. So this is 4-hour time frame. Okay, yesterday, today, I quite a few sent updated analysis on YouTube as well. Okay, so when this, let me drink water, my lips is drying. So what's happening with gold? Let's see. See, this is the nice price action pattern on the gold. After this is the 4-hour time frame. Even we don't need to look at the time frame. We saw that there has been a head and shoulder created and gold breakdown. After breaking down gold, what happened? You saw there was a big impulse followed by this correction. Okay, and then the price tried to create another impulse but failed to do so. Again went above, created another correction. Now, why did I choose this candle to enter the trade? Okay, this is what you need to learn. When do you enter the trade? Okay, no one will tell you when to enter. Okay, this is where I have entered. Why? Look at the previous 3 candlestick pattern. Okay, there is a doji, and then there is a green candle without almost no wick at the top. Okay, these 2 candle given you nice trading opportunity, and the next one, what happened? Broke all these 3, almost 4 hours candle, broke this 20 period moving average, closed as a bearish engulfer, smashed the like button. This is a really good candle to trade. As soon as I saw this, I have sent this trade signal to VIP members. We are on profit and will not close until we take the full profit from gold. We are running 2 trades, but I told my VIP members, some of them I know that close the trade, so I told them, if you are running 1, then run only 1, but if you are running 2, definitely you are making double profit. But I didn't tell that. Anyway, they want to make more profit. What can I do? So now what happened? Gold has created this bearish engulfer. You see there is a high at the top, low at the top, closed back below, now created another one. Now it will look like will go down a lot further, because the pattern says that this is a bearish market here on the lower time frame, not in the higher time frame. Higher time frame is bullish, and I think that gold will come to test this zone here. Okay, gold likely to come. I think so that gold at least will come to this zone, so which is around, let's say 1908 or 1910 at least will come, test this zone today or next week, and then gold will create some other pattern. But at this point it has created a double top here. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, double top here, and also bearish engulfer with a false breakout to the upside. That means that it's a huge trade, because this is the thing. Let me show you why it could be a huge trade. Let me give you an example. When you learn this, you don't need anything else. You know, there is a famous what is called philosopher from German. His name is Friedrich Nietzsche. He has a book called Das Zarathustra, something like that. It's in a German language, but translated in English. In his book, it's a really, I love books. He says that there is a book he has written. The central character of this book is a sage. The sage say his disciples that do not follow me, mistrust me, doubt me, and then abandon me. Because if you follow me, you will be believer. I don't want to be a believer. I want to be, he says that I want to be yourself. I want you to see you with your own eyes. I want you to empower. I don't want you to believe me and follow me on my way. You have to follow your own way. Every one of us is born in this world with unique ability. When you perform at your highest potential, you can become someone very, very different. You have that ability. Believe in yourself. Say, gold. What did I say? Okay, I wanted to show an example. See, Euro CHF. What did I wanted to show you? Look at this one here. You see the same kind of pattern. Let me replay this chart. You see, that is what I'm talking about. You see, there is a bearish engulfer, false breakout to the upside, double bottom, and then see what happened. Not always will happen like that. It doesn't mean that now you're gonna take a big risk. Not like that. You see. And then what happened? There has been a bigger move. So we can expect the same thing to happen with the gold, but at the same time, we need to keep in mind that gold now currently facing monthly support. Okay, but I think that you see the price already below the monthly support, and I strongly believe that gold will break this down. Okay, will come down here, test this weekly support. Okay, test this week. Will test this zone and then will drop, will rise above. Okay, so let's find out what's happening. So I think that gold will drop, and then let's see what happened. We'll hold the trade until we get the full profit on it. Now if you want to make money with us, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and go to the description area. There is a discount going on. Join this VIP team. We have a great team of VIP chat. I see that these traders are great. They share really good insights. You will be part of this community. Let's see what's happened next. What's other pairs we are getting request. Rabi says hi. Yep, Rabi, thank you. Wonderful, thank you. Nizam. Mila says thank you, Mila. Please, Euro CHF and Euro CAD, we'll do all of them. Sherry, nice being here again. Yep, Sherry, thank you for coming here. Kevin says USD CHF, please. Yeah, we'll do all of them. So let's find out what's happening with Euro CHF and Euro. Okay, so the only thing I was a bit currently Euro CHF, it's not a trade signal. Let me delete this one. So I thought that first I will send a trade signal to my VIP member on Euro CHF. But later I realized something, that you see this is still a bullish structure on Euro CHF. It could be a strongly bearish because this one also has element of false breakout. But the thing is that this pattern is still bullish. Why? This is a green candle here like that. Okay. See, this is a green candle here like that. And when you see this green candle and a pattern like this, okay, this is a bullish pricing. It's called a bull flag. So when you see a bull flag, you can expect something like that. So with that being said, Euro CHF didn't break the market structure that I told you a couple of minutes ago, that market structure is very, very important. Euro CHF could drop from here, but still the market structure is valid. There is an impulse. Now this is still a valid bull flag. Okay, so what is a bull flag? Let me explain. Bull flag is a very, very good pattern. So bull flag is when you see an impulsive move to the upside and the price creates something like that. Okay, that's called a bull flag. So what happened when bull flag formed? It happens all the time. The market moves like that way. When you see a bull flag, you might see a false breakout to the downside and then trending to the upside. That is what happened when there is a bull flag like that. So on Euro CHF, what we see after this impulse, the price created this, and we saw that there has been a down, the same as bull flag. That's why I think that could be that could go for another impulse, or it could start to drop from here. So I'm confused on Euro CHF still. So I didn't trade this one. So let's see euro dollar what's doing now. You see there is a primarily we see little bit of rejection from this level of resistance because there is a doji here. You see from this doji, this doji could be the neckline of this head and shoulder. That's why the price is rejecting from this zone. But I think that it will go further up to test this 20 period moving average, to test this support properly, and then could drop from here euro dollar. Okay, so this is the situation with euro dollar, and I think that we might find another trading opportunity. The only thing is that euro dollar, you see the shape is very important. You see when you see a head and shoulder like that, let me show you, like that is a very powerful, strongly bearish head and shoulder. But when you see a head and shoulder like this, okay, like this, that is not that much bearish than this one. You see, apply common sense. Which one is more bearish? You see this guy is doing like that, he might break down easily than this one. So let me show you what I mean. You see AUD CAD has created yesterday. Look at this. This is what I'm telling you. See yesterday when this candle was forming, this is what exactly I told you, that this is the head and shoulder, the price is likely to break, and see how it broke down. And this, look at this head and shoulder. You see this head and shoulder is strongly bearish. You see how it has created. You have to pay attention this kind of things, not only the textbook things. You see this head and shoulder is like that. Let me show you. It's like this. You see like that. This is the more bearish head and shoulder than this one. Euro dollar head and shoulder is like this. See, it's like first went like that and then came down here and then like this, and then still there is a lower high. But AUD CAD is like angled. Okay, so with that being said, euro dollar, even if this current 4-hour candle, let me show you, if the current 4-hour candle closes here, okay, like this, below this resistance, below this support, I will take a short trade. Smash the like button, because you know, more often than not, I make more money in the last 2 candle on the weekend. These 2 candle, because that time most trader close their trade. There's a lot of funded trader, then they have a condition from the, you know, the funding company that they need to close their trade in the weekends. And also many traders don't like to keep their trade position open, so the many pairs reverse in this time frame. In the meantime, if you new this channel, make sure you smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button. So Gbpusd, let's come to the Gbpusd. Gbpusd crazily broke to the downside, you know. So yesterday, you see, let me show you, when if you don't see it, repeat the video. What did I say yesterday? That Gbpusd will likely to come here and drop. That is what I said, right? Yesterday. Repeat the lives. See what happened? Smash the like button. If you traded it, then you could make, you know, 1 million over the night. I'm just joking. Don't try to make $1 million in one night, then you will blow out. Okay. So now what's happening with Gbpusd after this kind of breakdown? Okay, I need to see how the price action is forming. We might see another drop. Let's see bigger picture on the monthly. First of all, see, this is what I was over every day, you know, saying about Gbpusd, that it is highly bearish and it is likely to come to this level of support. It came even further down. So what could be the, you know, destination for Gbpusd? It could even go further down, because you know, if you look at the bigger picture, this is the monthly, you see this is the overall bearish market, right? So even we could see that Gbpusd came to this level, not in one day, but in a couple of months, even could come to this level. Now we saw that there is a strong move. Is still 1 week to go on Gbpusd, but what it could do, it could rise up little bit to this level next week and then could drop, or even could drop from here. So let's see what happened on the weekly, and then we'll see how we can trade. So weekly, after the previous week's doji, you see the price broke down. Now, okay, one thing we need to keep in mind, now we need to consider weekly, because tonight this weekly candle is closing, right? So we saw that one important thing, you see there is a weekly bullish candle here. Okay, let me show you something. So there is a weekly bullish candle here. You see there is a bullish candle created a support now exactly on this level of support, okay, GBPUSD. Then what does it mean? It means that it will rise up. Let's see, it could rise up. Okay, this is the daily time frame, right? Now on the daily, GBPUSD, after this quite a few days of slow consolidation and deceleration, GBPUSD finally broke down. This is the daily time frame, and at this point, because this is weekend, the best place to sell GBPUSD, if it come up here on the lower time frame, create a slow retracement and then sell. Okay, this is only thing I can tell you about GBPUSD. So let's see on the 4 hour how it looks like. Okay, now I will not sell at this point because it really has a very strong move. Okay, I will sell if it creates a double doji with a lower high. Smash the like button now. If it creates a double doji here with a lower high, then I will be selling GBPUSD. That means that it will drop another another move to the downside. Otherwise I will be waiting for here slow retracement. Maybe it will reach next week, will test here, and then might like to drop here and create a structure, and then will drop. If this is the two situation, if it creates a double doji here with a lower high, I will trade from here with a narrow stop loss with a tight profit target. Otherwise I'll wait for this GBPUSD to create this kind of a structure, and then I'll find a trading opportunity. Smash the like button now. Let's see GBPJPY. You saw that this is what I told you yesterday on GBPJPY. Same thing. What did I say when the price was here? It will create a structure like that and will drop, and the market did exactly as it is. Smash the like button if you have seen that. Now let's see what it can do, GBPJPY. First of all, we will go to the monthly time frame. What to see now? You see this is the monthly time frame, and we need to keep in mind that GBPJPY has a very strong monthly support here. Let me draw this level of support. So this is a very strong level of support, and this support might be respected. Now let's see on the weekly. Now this same support also on the weekly. Okay, now this weekly candle is almost going to close. Okay, now if which is likely to happen, if GBPUSD close here as a this is a perfectly shooting star. Okay, if this one closes as a shooting star, next week I will buy GBPJPY from where? From around 50% of this body. If it close here, then from around 50% of this body, keeping my stop loss below this weekly low and targeting, let's say from here, if I buy from here, at least 1 to 2 around this zone. Okay, so where I will finish my target, let me draw that as well. I will target, let's say if it is start from here, if it close here, I will target to this level. Okay, so let's see now on the 4 hour. Okay, so now to trade GBPJPY next week, what might happen? You see there's a big drop, right? But the market is still bullish. Keep in mind, whenever you say a drop, don't sell or don't buy, what it might do GBPJPY, if it creates a bullish structure here, something like that, consolidating and creating a bullish structure. When it is started to become bullish, then I will be buying GBPJPY, keeping a stop loss below this low. Take profit, at least it will be 1 to 2 or 3 weeks to reward. Smash the like button. So this is the situation with GBPJPY. I will not be selling now. It could be a sell if it creates a bearish pattern here. If I see that something like a head and shoulder again here, then it could drop further. But there is a monthly support here. That's why I will be buyer on GBPJPY. Let's see what happens next week. Then we will be thinking. So this is the situation with Gbpusd. So crypto I did not enter gold. Okay, crypto, that's fine, that's okay, don't worry, we'll have a lot of trade. I'll send more of them. Morning sir, US 100, Slim ask for US 100. Chindi Aguilar, hello sir, UJ and okay, Usdjpy and Gbpusd we have discussed already. We'll see Usdjpy as well. Kakulan ask for Euro AUD. Yeah, we'll do that. Crypto, Euro CAD and USD CAD. So let's see Euro AUD, USD CAD, US 100. So first of all, let's look quickly at US 100. Now US 100, we saw that on the 4-hour time frame, the price broke down. This is a very unpredictable price action it's creating. Daily went above, tested this 20 period moving average after this doji, and then broke down as a bearish engulfer. So let's see weekly what's happening now. Weekly, okay, so what might happen that US 100, so this is the weekly chart. Let me see the monthly. Okay, so monthly, after the previous month's close as a hanging man, the price broke down, and I think that it will drop further low, okay, at least to this monthly level of support. So it looks like on the monthly it is still bearish. So let's see on the weekly. Now it looks like the weekly candle will close as a doji, okay, like this one. So what could happen, the next one is will rise up some pattern like this, will rise up around, let's say around the top of the doji, and then will drop again. Now let's see daily. Okay, so what it could do, now what I am trying to understand, what I see in my experience, it will create a channel like this. Okay, it will create a channel like this. Okay, all right, it will create a channel like that, and it will move along this channel to the downside. Okay, so what it will do, it will create a channel, will come to the bottom of the channel, and then will go up, and then we'll create a, let's say, false breakout, and then we'll come back to the channel like this. Okay, so when you see instrument moving in a channel, always think of selling. If it is a falling channel, selling at the top of the channel when you see the price action confirmation. So this is what I can say on US 100. Sell when the price will go here next week or later, otherwise wait patiently to see what's happening. Smash the like button now. I saw that Musabah Al-Mayori, gold please. Yes, Musabah, we trading gold. Khalid also says about gold. So let's say Khalid says hello. So Musabah, let's see what's happening with our gold trade. Okay, we are making good profit on gold. Let's see on the 4-hour time frame. Now, as I told you, gold is likely to drop further. Smash the like button, Musabah. Gold is likely to drop. We have entered gold trade, 2 trades we are running on gold, both are in profit, and you saw that my trade always have a high risk reward. That's what I believe, because sometimes no one can give you 100% winning rate. Some trade will come with loss, but as I told my VIP members, see, some of you maybe miss this trade. Don't worry, I'll send more trade signal. Be patient, don't trade FOMO. Okay, now let me tell you why. Again, I will explain gold, but in the meantime, if you want to join this VIP team, then link in the description. There is a huge discount going on. It will end soon. There is a lot of demand now for Forex Trading Wizard Academy, because this academy has created from heart. Okay, check out every YouTube video, see how, if anyone can teach you like this way. This is unique. Learn from heart, learn from experience. I lost a lot of money in trading, believe it or not. I faced a lot of difficulty, a lot of resistance from family, a lot of resistance from friends. Why you are doing, a lot of question. I only say that I believe in myself. I don't want to be a loser. Okay, I'm a trader, and I prove to be. As long as you are not quitting, you are successful. See, you have a brain, right? This brain, this is the most sophisticated machine in this universe. Nothing can be, the human being are the most evolved species in this universe, okay, conscious. So we are the universe, right? And this conscious being is looking at the chart. Your brain has enormous power. That only thing you need to do, you need to give yourself some time. Be patient. Trade risk small and then play over and over and over and give your brain some time. A kid when born, the kid doesn't see anything in the world because the kid's brain cannot, synchronize the pattern. But just 1, 2 years, 3 years of time, the kids started to understand what is tree and what is a bird. Like this, see, even if you are a dual simple diploma, you need 3 years, right? To make money, to become independent, give yourself some time, 3 years, 2 years. The problem in this business, it's a business of money and people cannot be patient. They lose money, blow account, frustrated, and then quit in 6 months, maybe in 1 year at best, and then quit. Stay 3 years, then see what happened. You will become a trader. Okay, so gold, let me show you. This is the 4-hour time frame. See, this 4-hour time frame, the price broke this level. And why did I enter this trade? I told you before also. You see there is a bearish engulfer. This bearish engulfer is very, very powerful. First of all, it has element of false breakout to the upside, created a double top with a lower high in this bearish market. And so there is a lot of confluences. All the confluences according to the rules of our strategy. It's a trend following strategy or TF strategy in our website. If you join our lifetime access, you will learn this strategy. Gold mine, it's a gold. Smash the like button now. So let's begin with so this is the situation with gold. Now at this point there is still no entry, but if anyone is still wanting for an entry, I would say that if gold create a slow retracement again, then could be another entry. Okay, so that could be another entry, but at this point you saw that this candle is dropping. So I think that that gold sometimes does this, is drop without any question. It could be a huge drop. If I see a huge drop, I will tell my BIP member to move profit target, to take a bigger profit. That's what you need to do. See, when you lose a trade, cut it with a small loss. But when you win the trade, keep it running, take a big profit from it. And that's how traders. Smash the like button now. So we enter gold. Yes, Khalid, thank you for telling this. Santosh said that share is very grateful for your effort, wizard. Thank you. Thank you, Santosh. I'm also grateful for all of these great people, in this platform, supporting my channel, supporting my website, supporting my work. And I really feel worthy and grateful to all of you. You people are amazing. I'm telling from my heart, not telling to convince you. Really amazing. Thank you. So let's see. Shantosh says very grateful. Thank you. Zabir says Shabash US30 please. Thank you. Kevin USD CHF. Okay, let's see. Thanks you, sir. Great analysis. Thank you, Slim. Trade boy Eurujpy, please sir. Loves from Malaysia. Okay, we'll do that. Eurujpy, CryptoX, EuroCAD, USDCAD. Okay, CryptoX asked twice that EuroCAD and USDCAD, and yesterday I missed CryptoX's one request for Bitcoin. Sorry about that. Let's see EuroCAD and USDCAD. First of all, let's go to the USDCAD. So let's find out what's happening with USDCAD. Okay, USDCAD, let's see monthly first. Okay, so it looks like it is pushing to the upside. So the way USDCAD now moving, it is in a very in a high side. So what it could do, couple of possible scenario now. It could come to this level. Let me draw this. It could reverse from here, or even it could come to the top of the candle. So let's see weekly. Okay, so weekly, now there are a lot of things depending on how this weekly candle is closing. USDCAD, if you see this is the weekly candle, it came well below and then now pushing to the upside. So today's weekly candle closing, a lot of factor depending on this. If tonight, if USD CAD drop again, create a doji here, then possibility that it will drop. Otherwise, if it goes up, close as a big, bullish candle like that, we might see that USD CAD now dropping, rising to this level or to this level. So USD CAD currently I don't have any entry. Let me give you the daily. So daily, it's look like it came here, created a lot of false breakout. USD CAD now currently not giving us a nice trading opportunity. The price action is very, very, you see, this is not a nice price action. Look at this, how it is created. I don't like this kind of price action. But this is the daily chart. Let's see on the 4 hour. You see there is a lot of up and down. So yeah, let's see what happened. But for now, I don't have any entry. It could be a false breakout and start to move down, or could go up. So highly likely that it will continue to the up further, maybe to this level or somewhere here, and then may come down. So Euro CAD, USD CAD could be similar kind of pattern. Let's see Euro CAD. Euro CAD also doing the same. You see this is the 4 hour time frame, created a candle that is a false breakout, and you see how to trade this kind of candle. I have a separate video on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. There's a lot of video in it that will really helpful for your trading. So monthly, okay, Euro CAD, it's a strongly bearish market. Finally it will drop, okay, but what it could do, Euro CAD, at the end of the month, this is the monthly, you could possibly see that the candle is closing here as a doji and then dropping from here. Okay, so with that being said, next week, let's see. Okay, so next week I think that Euro CAD could rise up further, okay, further to the upside, even to this level, and could drop. So let's see what happened. I think Euro CAD is now bullish. There is a 20 period moving average it is testing. So what it could do next week, maybe on the daily, will create a candle here, doji, and then will rise up to this level somewhere here and then could drop, because it's a long-term bearish market. But we might see temporarily it may rise. Okay, it may rise Euro CAD. So these are the two, but I don't have any entry at this point because it's a bearish market. Now it is rising, so I will be waiting patiently for a fall. So gold, let's see. Wow, gold is dropping. Smash the like button. We are getting some profit. But for those who didn't enter, don't experience FOMO. I miss a lot of trades. See, Gbpusd, I miss this trade, trust me, because I promised to my VIP members that I will not send a trade signal when they cannot enter. Trust me, last session you remember that. You see, I missed this trade. You see, this is a nice trade. If I saw this candle, trust me, I would take this trade. I missed this trade. It's a nice EAR strategy. Who are in our lifetime access, go to the EAR strategy. Look at this one here. This is EAR strategy, powerful strategy. See, this is in my website. If I saw this trade, I will definitely enter with 5% risk. Okay, because I know that this is 100% winning rate. But I miss this trade, but I don't experience FOMO because I know that there will be trade today, tomorrow, all the time. Okay, you need to let go some trade. FOMO, or fear of missing out, is the biggest killer of our trading account. So never experience FOMO. Let yourself miss trade. Even someone is making $1 billion, stay with discipline with yourself, everyone, then you will be able to make money. So that's okay. See, Gbpusd now creating this kind of candle. You see, after 40 minutes, if I see that Gbpusd created exactly like this doji, it's a sell signal. Okay, it's a sell signal, a strongly falling market. If you see a narrow doji like that, sell signal. Smash the like button, but don't sell it now. It's 40 minutes. It could close as a green candle here like that. Okay, so let's find out what happened next. So we saw that gold is almost hitting our profit target, and I think that it will continue to fall further. Okay, it will continue to fall further, maybe back to back tonight. How many 4-hour candle remaining? This one will close after, let's say, 1 hour 40 minutes. There are two candle might started to drop. Okay, maybe we'll see little retracement, or maybe we'll see continuous drop. But don't, okay, Forex Wizard is magician, let's risk whole account, and then if it reverse, then blow out. Don't do that. I'm a wizard, as I told you. I'm a real magician, but it doesn't mean that I'm always right. Sometimes I'm wrong. Okay, this is the trick of magician. So make sure that you don't take a big risk based on what Forex Wizard told. Always manage your risk. I want you to be a trader. I don't want you to quit trading. I want you to stay with trading forever, make money, become an independent, dream big. Okay, write down in the chat section who is trading for what's your goal. Let me see what you want from trading. Perfect, Raja says. Thank you, Raja. Miss says FY Raja. Okay, thank you, Miss. Samuel says you are amazing. Thank you, Samuel. You are amazing too, guys and girls. You are amazing too. Musaba says crude oil, please. Yes, we'll do the crude oil. We didn't do long time. So good man. Thank you, my friend. Chedrick Mabogo, please advise settings for moving averages. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, let me tell you, it's easy. These two moving average, one is 20 period, one is 10 period. So what you will do, go to this indicator section, okay, and then type moving averages. Okay, EMA, exponential moving average, EMA, type EMA. Okay, exponential moving average. You see moving average exponential. Click here. I have got another one. So which one is the last one? Okay, so when you find this moving average, then this one is value 20 period, this one is value 10 period. That's it. It will come up like this. Okay, smash the like button now. So thank you for the yellow oil analysis. Yep, we'll do that. So golden 9 Raja, thank you. Mary says I'm only second year in trading. Good thing I found your channel. My first year is like a roller coaster in trading. Yeah, completely fine, Mary. We all go through this. It's a journey. Okay, keep in mind, I told you that the one important thing, always think logically. See, never put yourself down. Always allow yourself, accept yourself. I told you that day that this guy who invented the light bulb, Thomas Alva Edison, this American inventor, he made 1000 fail experiment. Okay, great things come from the failure. American basketballer, what his name, Michael something, I forgot. He was rejected from many times because of he was short, but he has the talent. The more failure you will have, the more mistake you will make, the stronger you will become. Thomas Edison, he was asked that you made 1000 mistake. He said that no, there is 1000 steps to reach there. So I told you before also, you are losing money not because you don't know trading, but because this is the way of being a trader. Smash the like button, you will make money. Okay, believe in yourself. So let's see. Okay, thank you, Musaba. We'll do all as well. Ali said, just subscribe all the way from Namibia. Thank you, Ali. That's really good to see all of you. Euro AUD also similar. Yes, Kakulan, Euro AUD, almost most Euro pair is similar. Thank you for that. Shantu said, AUD USD, please. We'll look at AUD USD, but AUD USD, Euro USD, almost similar kind. Kevin Nash, I'm fourth. I am asking USDCH. Okay, sorry about that. Let's see USD. Actually, what happened? Sometime I miss some requests because I have a limited time. But if I, miss your request at some point, just forgive me. So let's see on the monthly time frame what's happening with USDCHF. So USDCHF currently, that USD is very, very strong. Broke to the upside. Now facing this, let me draw this level of resistance. So let's see, this is the resistance, and and let's see, this is the monthly resistance. We might see USD CHF even pushing high. Weekly, we saw that strong bullish move. This is the candle almost closing. So daily, okay, daily we saw a bullish candle here, okay, and the other one is just, you see, USD CHF is highly bullish. See, there is a big move to the upside, followed by this red candle. This is a red candle, can provide you strong level of support, because this red candle can act as a very, very strong level of support for this move. Because when you see a big move in one color, and then what happened if this candle can provide a level of support, so when you see one color different, that can give you a very, very strong protection. So let's see on the 4 hour. Now 4 hour, we saw previous 4 hour a bullish engulfer, okay. Now this 4 hour after 34 minutes, it is closing, it's a bullish sign, okay. It could be that, the only thing is this is the weekend. If this is not weekend, definitely I would trade it. Even still, it's possible that today next 2 candle will push up, okay, because anyway, if Gbpusd fall, USD CHF will rise. So looks like USD will continue to get stronger. Gold is weaker, so they are correlated. You know, when USD gets stronger, gold gets weaker. So we are making money on gold, so gold is getting weaker. Similarly, same thing, I think that USD CHF will rise from here. You see there is a strong red candle, this one, okay, this one is support, tested as a, you know, this is the resistance, tested as a support. Smash the like button now. So what it could happen that USD CHF could rise from here. Keep in mind that this is not an investment advice, this is just for educational purpose. It could happen something like that, okay. USD CHF could be 2 point, let's say even 1 to 2. It's a good trade. Smash the like button now, hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. If I trade, I will trade like this, okay. This is only for educational purpose. Do your own analysis, do your own risk management, and make sure you always manage your risk. At any point this trade could come down, so make sure you always manage your risk. So let's see what happened with other pairs. Let's see. So Sanjay says GBP Euro, you'll look at it. Trader X Boy Eurojpy, please sir. Yeah, we'll do that. Financial freedom is why I'm learning, sir. Great Samuel. Financial freedom is your right, okay. It's your right, because school, college, university doesn't teach you. You know, there is a book by Robert Kiyosaki, American writer, Rich Dad Poor Dad. Did you read it? He said in his book many times that the rich dad says that the poor dad says I can't afford it. The rich dad says how can I afford it, okay. So school doesn't teach that. He is right. You know, that's why mainstream, the great successful people, they are always, you know, different. School doesn't teach you. School, what will teach you? School make you a good citizen so that you can serve the country, you can serve the people, but school will not teach you how to serve yourself. So what will happen if you don't know how to serve yourself? You create shadow. That shadow will create distress. So the people who think that serving the people, serving the country, they actually sometimes suffer inside their heart, because they wanted to express something that has been suppressed. Suppression create a shadow. That shadow will come out as a different kind of disease, psychological, mental, physical. According to Carl Jung, the famous psychiatrist, he's in his book Unconscious, he said that when you suppress your desire, what you want due to social pressure, family pressure, you create shadow. That shadow, until you bring into the consciousness, bring into the light, this shadow will control your life. So make sure you follow your heart no matter what, okay. Smash the like button now. So let's see what's happening. Chadrick Magubo, thank you Chadrick. So let's see, Kevin says thank you wizard. Okay, Khalid, USD strong, gold weak. Yes, that's correct. When USD strong, most of the time gold you will see weaker. So let's see, Euro USD daily pin bar, can that be a symbolish bearish move? Yeah, we already saw a bullish move, Cedric. Could be let's see later today what happened. I think that today it will continue to be bearish. So let's see US oil. Okay, long time we didn't look at US oil. So first of all, let's see the monthly time frame. Okay, monthly, this monthly candle is almost closing. It's closing as a doji. Okay, still 7 days to go, but what is likely to happen is, I think that US oil is continue to move sideways. Okay, because US oil already went above, came down, went. So let's see on the weekly what's happening now. On the weekly, I think that US oil will move in a sideways. Okay, it will move like this. Okay, sideways. At some point again it will break out to the upside, hopefully, or to the downside. Let's see, but it is very sensitive to news. You see, it is still moving in a sideways. It's the daily time frame. US oil moving completely in a narrow range, and always do not trade in a market that is in a narrow range. That is only the trap that you lose money. So US oil looks like moving in a sideways. So I'll not trade until it clearly breaks out to one side and started to trend. So this is what happening with US oil. So let's see, Sibogilim, great help from South Africa. Yes, Sibogili, thank you for joining this. So Lizard King says, spot on, you are wonderful. Thank you, Lizard King, you are also wonderful. Alan James, already USD CAD. So we already discussed USD CAD. You can review when the recording finish, you can go back and watch. It's a raw yet, but we'll go back if I have time in the meantime. USD CAD is still bullish. Looks like bullish, but as you can see that USD CAD I will not be trading, because this is the end of the weekend and the price is now in a lonely place where there is nothing here. So it could, because already you see this is the daily candle and the price already broke all this resistance. It might come down little bit or may go up. So it's not in a good place to trade now, because the move already happened, and either it will come for a retracement and then we'll go back again, close somewhere here, or it will come down little bit. Let's see what happened, but this is not in a now good place to trade at this point, US oil. So this is the situation with all this pair. I sincerely believe that all of you are enjoying this live trading session. And Mila says, thank you, Nizam, I got to go. No problem, Mila, thank you. Have a good weekend. Enjoy your weekend and see you on Monday. So DXY, as you can see, that DXY is just a mirror of euro dollar or Gbpusd. So DXY is rising, so that means that other pairs will drop. So quickly have a look what's okay. Gbpusd now again dropped for a certain period of time. So euro dollar, okay, euro dollar looks like slowly getting rejected. So if euro dollar reject from here, if it close here, I think that in a couple of minutes it might just drop. Okay, so let's see on the 15 minutes what's happening with euro dollar. Okay, so euro dollar is creating a bearish price action now. It might just drop from here. Okay, it might drop, this is 15 minutes, it might drop from here, or it might go for another spike and then drop. Okay, so but euro dollar, you see, still didn't check this previous support as resistance. So what might it could do, because there is a, you see, there is a news release at 12:30 today, 12:30 a.m. Sydney time. So it's 10:33 p.m. now. So around how many hours? So it's still 11:32. So around 2 hours to go. It's on GBP, but it still will have some impact on it. But I think that euro dollar looks like may drop from here. Okay, from here to the downside at some point here. So who are doing day trading in 15 minutes could be a good trading opportunity, but as I told you, it might go for a spike. So If there is a high risk to reward, could be a good trading opportunity. But if in case it goes here with a long candle spike and then come back, that I will definitely trade from this zone. But let's see what happened, how evolve over the time in the next couple of minutes or couple of in hours. But I prefer normally 4 hour. So I got a request for AUD USD before I forgot it. So AUD USD, Gbpusd, Euro dollar, all doing the similar kind. AUD USD, no one think of buying. Okay, I know that retail trader, when they see a bottom, they think of buying, and when they see a top, they think of selling. Sell when you see a bottom, buy when you see a top. Not always based on price action, but this is the attitude that you have to become a successful, profitable trader. AUD USD, if it creates a doji like this, okay, the next one could go up little bit, maybe around this top of the doji, and could drop AUD USD. Okay, that this is could happen. If this one doji, we might see another breakout to the downside on AUD USD. Smash the like button. Always sell from the lower low, buy from the higher high. This is the law of trading. Smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Our gold trade is running in profit, and we might enter one more trade based on how the price action is creating. I'm almost at the end of this live streaming. This is weekend, and hopefully that all of you are enjoying. I will continue to do it every single day. So if you're new to the channel today, don't forget to subscribe. Press that bell notification. Every day I provide live streaming, live analysis. This week I will release some educational content. So make sure you subscribe, and also go to the description area. Okay, join my VIP program. There is a discount going on to receive trade signal as well as to learn my strategies. If you don't want to join, that's also fine. Thank you for joining this live session. It was great to have some time with you. See you on the Monday on the live trading session, and I will have a private VIP session on Saturday with my VIP members. It will be only VIP only session. And if you are joining VIP, definitely I'll see you there. Thank you for joining this program. I'll see you soon. It was a good time. Have a good weekend, everyone. Enjoy your time. Thank you.